roll back, fee hike, 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 roll back, fee hike. Roll back, fee hike, 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 roll back, fee hike.
So just an update, this is the campus gate being blocked right now. We received some new information that due to some health reasons the VC won't be able to take the meeting that was supposed to be happen. So there is going to be a campus blockade right now. This is the update from Hyderabad. Sit down!
Sit down, बैठ जाओ सब लोग।
So update again, we are streaming from Hyderabad campus, and the VC won't be able to take the meeting that was supposed to happen today due to some health reasons, and so we have decided to blockade the gate today. This was done with a general consensus of everyone present here. So this is an update for all the students from other campus.
ये तो अंदर नहीं आ रहे, अगर लोगों को आना है तो पैदल आ रहे।
चल लेफ्ट No one will sit there. Roll back, behind, 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 roll back, behind,
उसकी वाइफ बाहर है।
roll back, behind, 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 roll back, वापस लो भाई वापस लो, बिहाइंड वापस लो, वापस लो बिहाइंड वापस लो, वापस लो भाई वापस लो, 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 बिहाइंड वापस लो, वापस लो भाई वापस लो,
मलाई एक जरा इसमें पता नहीं वो किस में जा रहा है, वो पता नहीं है लाइक किस में आ रहा है। आप किस में लाइक जा रहे हो?
You guys sit down. Guys sit down.
There are people who have to go out. Their families are there. Their families will pressure out. They will go into another direction. This is not a way of doing a silent protest.
Sir, till now we could tell them and manage and say that silent protest will work, and this is something that has gone beyond our control. You don't see us.
But there are people who have to go out. Process. How do you have to go out?
I agree, sir. I agree, sir. But you see that this is beyond our control right now. They are not.
If it is you are live streaming that particular thing, and then you are saying that it is beyond your control.
Yes. I'm live streaming because I want people to know what's happening. So that's it. I'm not streaming because I want to make a point.
There are people who have to go out.
I agree, sir. That is the purpose of this, to create a disruption. That is what they're saying.
You want to do the disruption? No, and it is a silent protest also. Is it a silent protest then?
It is a...
No, you give me. If it is a silent protest.
Sir, we've protested silently till now. Sir, we've protested. We agree, sir. This is not going to be there for long.
When you say that up to 6 o'clock, sir, abhi sab ko rukna hai.
No notice also, prior notice saying that during this time it will be done. See, anything happens, there will be a prior notice.
Sir, the management was not considerate enough to us to give notices and say that this is what you're charging money.
This is the way you behave. Then management will take another direction.
Sir, we are forced to do this, sir. This is not like we don't like doing this, sir. ठीक है सर, हम बात कर रहे हैं सर, बता दो कितने बात करनी है सर बस। हमको क्या, मेरा तो खाना पीना सब कुछ सब अंदर ही है, बंद कर लो। ठीक है, बोल दो। ठीक है, तुम अगर ऐसे ही करना चाहते हो, ठीक है, और पहले से बोल सकते थे तुम, तब शायद मैं 2 दिन से तुम्हारे इसमें नहीं लगा हुआ रहता कि ठीक है तुम जितना कन्वीनियंटली तुम कर सकते हो। ओके, सी it is not a silent here. What I mean to say, what you call silent, I find fine. Okay, I am there with you. But now if you say you will go like this, fine.
Sir, but if no one will listen to us if we are silent, then what is the use of being silent?
Not listening?
No one is listening.
I'm sorry if you say not listening.
You talk to.
Yes, sir.
सर बात ही नहीं हो रही है
Sir, you are sir.
सॉल्यूशन फिक्स कोई चीज नहीं होता है. That is already communicated to you. That is
Given the update. You given the update. Do you want him to whatever promises he has made to speak with Goa people? He could not meet with Goa people because of his health. He was literally taken out to Delhi. Okay. So now, on what basis we can conduct a conversation now with him? On what basis? If we head the institution, he is going for a medical checkup because doctor has asked him to do that particular thing. Can I ask him to come back to Hyderabad campus and talk?
Sir, the person next in this
Right now, these people are meeting. That was also told to him. You ask him.
Sir, right now the next person is in command. If the vice chancellor is unable to,
Right, he is aware about that. You ask him.
yes, sir. We are aware.
You ask Aditya here whether he was told it or not.
Yes, sir. We are aware that the vice chancellor is right now.
Not that particular thing. There is a meeting is happening with the directors at 5:30 or not. That was told to him.
directors are meeting.
So
Yes, sir. With us, sir. With us.
अरे बाबा पहले उनका तो मीटिंग खत्म होने दो. So it is a selected information which is given.
Sir, we agree, sir. We
बाबा सुन तो लो पहले मेरी बात. It was told that he is keeping unwell and he is keeping unwell from yesterday. He was forcibly asked to go for a medical investigation and then directors are meeting. That was also told to him at 5:30. अब इसके बाद so when you are saying that a second in command should come and speak, अरे all those people are discussing now that was told.
all right, sir.
तो हमारी रिक्वेस्ट सिर्फ आपको यही नहीं, हमारी रिक्वेस्ट ये कि जो people who are there who have to go to their family out, you let them go out ना. उसमें क्या है हार?
So this was also not started to do this indefinitely. This was started to do this for a certain amount of time. It's not like we are going to sit here till whatever time. We will try to talk to these people and tell whatever you.
नेक्स्ट इन कमांड जो है अगर आप बोल रहे हो कि मीटिंग में तो आप बात कर सकते हैं हम लोग. अगर कुछ
I will ask.
कब तक मीटिंग चलेगी?
No.
हाँ सर, हमको बताया जा रहा है कि कब से मीटिंग है.
We promise we will stop this if we get to know कब तक हमें information मिलेगा.
Sir, it's time frame, sir. Just indefinitely saying that we are talking is not. Sir, timeline. Sir.
No, but the decision cannot be made just like that. That was
Any
told.
tentative time, sir.
There is an emergency and that's why we're doing all this. Otherwise there's no point. After compres are done, people will leave.
The students are
Nobody will be there.
They are also short on time.
We know those are there.
This is not
We've shared it with the students.
on to Delhi. Just now meeting is going on all the directors. Because by tomorrow, by phone now, then they'll take a call whether you go or on the.
Sir, after this meeting, can Professor Sundar address the crowd, sir? After this meeting, if we assure the Professor Sundar addresses the crowd, then we'll ask them to. We'll give that, and I think they'll be happy with the assurance.
We'll stop this. This was a timestamp roughly when
Tonight, sir,
Professor will address us.
after this meeting that the director sir is having with everyone else, if it is assured that Professor
Sir, VC is not well now, no sir. VC was well from 3 days and there's nothing happened in 3 days.
See now, that's why.
And you're saying you need time, but there are people who are doing hunger strike in Pilani and Goa, sir.
That is also stop. You know that in for and VC is not here for 3 days. VC came to Pilani on Sunday evening at 6
2
o'clock.
days, do you think it's enough, sir?
It's only one day.
So solutions should come fast. So what are you saying? In 1 day it's not
We
possible.
are not the guys. We are not the guys who take that particular decision. We are not the guys who do. We are only communicating.
Blocking the gate is not.
No, sir,
Yeah,
we are
won't block
removing
it
the
for long
blockade.
time,
That is
sir.
that we've
Our intention to tell you is the matter
please,
is very
please.
serious.
Now, yes, we also must.
Yeah, we want to speed up
Sir,
the
this is
session.
Not that you want.
We won't stop the
One
online.
thing is, we want only one thing, sir. We want the official thing that what is going on.
Director called you he said the status, if you are blocking the gate, which is not correct. Okay? If you like to meet director, then come, then that is there you can meet.
Sir, we are requesting the director, sir, after this meeting, that, sir, you just said
The
meeting that is going on.
Is the one when I went told him, he's discussing with all his counterpart. Is the official meeting or not? I don't know. I told my students.
Okay, sir. So at 9 o'clock in the night, or 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, whatever, people are sitting outside his house only. He can address the crowd there. Sir, I'll tell you, we are sad with the apathetic situation that the director, sir, is showing towards the crowd. So indifferently, yesterday he said, if you want to sit here, you can sit here. It doesn't matter to me. So it has been a very apathetic stance from his point of view. We want the director, sir, to know that it affects us and it's affecting everybody. And we wanted this disruption, a little of it, to translate to everybody. We are not fools to do this for a very long time. We do not want people to stop going out and all. So we'll remove this. We are just expecting sir to make a statement.
We can pass on your feelings, but we cannot commit on his basis.
Sure, sir, that's it. Exactly, sir.
Sir, at least ask him to talk us after the
Sir,
meeting.
can you please talk to
that thing we can pass on.
We will pass on your feelings to him that you would like.
Sir, can you please talk
But
to...
you have to let people go out there, family people.
Sir, we are not doing this infinitely, sir. Indefinitely, we are not doing this. We plan this for 30 minutes or 10 minutes only, sir.
Also directly talk to you. Yesterday also
Sir, but we did not get anything useful out of it.
Sir, he
did not talk to us, sir. He just listened to us and he went back.
Unless and until he is having some information, some message to give you, what he will come and talk to you. That only he is telling that, okay, if he is having something to give, he will come and he will talk to you and he will told that, okay, decision is taken. But now if decision is not taken, what he will come and tell, okay, talk to you.
Sir, we don't have time. Yes, sir. We are expecting.
Sir, we at least want the timeline till what is the latest time the decision will be taken.
कम से कम ऐसा नहीं करो
सर इधर हम लोग ज्यादा देर नहीं करने वाले सर सर ज्यादा देर नहीं करने वाले सर ज्यादा देर का प्लानिंग नहीं था सर हमारा हम लोग बस दिखाना चाहते थे कि हम लोग सीरियस है वी जस्ट वांटेड टू शो दैट वी आर वेरी सीरियस
सर ये बताओ तुम ऐसे करोगे तब मैं सीरियसनेस समझूंगा
सर पर हमें पता नहीं चल
सर हमको लग नहीं रहा ना कि एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन
नहीं मैं अपने
सीरियस है
चेहरे पे कुछ लगा लूं कि बोलूंगा आप तुम सीरियस समझो
सर मतलब एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से हमने बात नहीं की सर 3 दिन हो गए सर 3 दिन हो गए अभी तक हमको एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने एड्रेस नहीं किया हमको कैसे पता चलेगा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सीरियस है कि नहीं है
नहीं है 3 दिन तुम्हारे साथ हम हैं कि नहीं
सर वो ठीक है आपको सर आपको कुछ नहीं बोला
लेकिन अब जो
सर आप लोग तो
I will pass on the message that we have researched.
My point is,
No, you should see those two poor girls who are standing there. They are our faculty kids. छोटे बच्चे, they are standing there.
sorry, now you are going to extreme which is not correct. When the gate was not correct.
We are not करना live streaming करना मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ. We are not going anywhere. हम यहीं पे रहने वाले हैं, तुम भी यहीं पे रहने वाले हो. If you want some address, we'll go and request. I'm not saying anything.
Yes, sir.
But बच्चों और उनको फैमिली को वगैरह उनको रोक के कोई मतलब नहीं. That's what I mean.
If they don't have any update, if they can't give, but no decision is taken. But there is some update, right, sir?
No, listen.
We should
This is you now. You do everything. Gate closing is not correct. I'm telling you. Okay?
Not like
Now you like to meet director. Now just now I'll speak to director. Okay. Now you see everything whatever you want to do, but I think closing gate is not correct.
Okay, sir.
My sincere advice, don't do that.
This
Which
thing
from both the sides is not correct. Okay, this is not correct. You do, you have got right protest, and then you stop the right.
Sir, this is okay.
Now,
Sir, but we
if
need
you are not
update.
allowing to go out and to come in, then there's no point of talking to director. I will not speak to director. But
So we want to update in what happened in these 3 days. At least some progress will be there. We want this update, not a final election, but some update. What happened in these 3 days?
no, sorry, if you are not allowing to go out, it means what will close the court, which is not correct. Only this much I can say.
This is okay, sir.
Then you want to close, then close. Okay, we'll all will be inside. Okay, what can we do? All will be inside. And then one call. What do you say? Want to close? Just to close. Oh, already you have done it.
There's no reason half an hour convenience cannot be taken. We will be taking the whole year.
Huh?
They cannot take the half an hour inconvenience. We should take the whole year's inconvenience.
I'm cherishing this. Frame करा के रखूँगा. What happened? Hit me that all the way right to the
Roll back!
So director sir will be coming in 5 minutes. That is the update right now.
Good job.
We urge other people from BITS Hyderabad to join because director sir is about to come in 5 to 10 minutes. And
Alright, so we have the assurance that this is on his way. Director sir, please move aside so that people can go. Director sir is coming. He's
ये इनको यहाँ पे जाने दो. Let this gate be closed. Let the people go out.
Sir, you've just seen me say.
No, it's not you.
गाइस सुनो. ये प्रोटेस्ट है ठीक है, बट ये नेगोशिएशन ज्यादा थोड़ा कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ेगा. They have said that they have assured the director will come.
just calm down.
Alright. So let this gate be open. जिनको बाहर जाना, let them go out. That gate will be closed until the director comes.
See, hold on. What was the point of this? To make a statement that we can cause a disruption when needed, right? What is the point of this? Hold on. For how long will we do this?
See, I understand.
Exactly. So the statement that needed to be made has been made right now. You see Deans and couple of associate team standing here assuring us right now. Listen, the director sir is on his way. He'll come.
You all
will
have
take 2 minutes, right?
You all have been
Let's not
protesting.
be unreasonable right now.
Yeah.
We have a good face.
We have a good chance right now more than that.
Toilet.
Has gained attention and it has been received very well because we have been doing it in a very organized and peaceful manner.
Yeah.
You are able to sit for 2 nights outside without any consequences because the complete administration is with us.
How did the tent come
There
in?
were only
Because
100 people yesterday. There was nobody stopping them from removing those 100 people. There were not 2,000 people sitting there.
The people who
right
came
now
here
also
to
we are
talk to
just
us-
50. It's not the whole campus sitting here.
So yeah.
We need them to be on our side. They have been on our side since day one. I'm not talking about the director, but at least the deans have been on our side. They have been supporting us each and every point. Their families are here. Every faculty has been supporting us. They saw what we can do. Everybody is seeing that. This should be the last resort. We won't move until you do. We want it to be heard. Let us
be reasonable. 10 to 15 minutes.
Roll back, V-Hike! Roll back, V-Hike! Roll back, V-Hike! Roll back, V-Hike! Roll back! Roll back!
PC is an hospital. Delhi on his way to Delhi to get admitted. ऐसा बोला गया है.
अब मजा आता है मुझे करने में. मैं बहुत नहीं कर रहा.
So the update right now is that only one of the gates is being opened for, there were some kids and all who had to go out, and there were some families here and a lot of employees who had to go out. And we are just opening one gate for the employees to go out, but the gate through which everyone has to come in is still closed until director comes here. So that is a negotiation that has been done. Can you keep this live?
जब तक डायरेक्टर सर नहीं आते तब तक बैठना। फिर 5 मिनट बाद खोल देंगे। प्रेशर पड़ेगा तभी तो यादव भैया ने पकड़ा रहा हूँ। अच्छा आगे 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 ट्रैक्टर बैठ जाओ बैठ जाओ बैठ जाओ। और उठना नहीं है, शांति से बैठा बस अपन भी बात बैठ जाओ बैठ जाओ। अरे वो छोटा वाला सुमित बैठो यार। यादव भैया ने बड़ा कितने लोग क्यों जा रहे हैं? No 15 members do nothing. Ritesh. This will die down.
No. You please, I'm not talking about the larger issue. Please.
Sir, please, sir, you'll have to talk.
I'm not a movie.
Sir, you'll have to talk.
बैठ जाओ
मैंने फिर भी बंद तो नहीं किया। नहीं you don't have to close. बंद नहीं करना।
The second thing is, right now I was in a discussion with the director of Goa campus. You have interrupted that. If anything, you are only delaying that. Then what? Then what? Then what? What? No. No, we want to. I mean, what are you guys? If you are representing them, then represent them. Otherwise, you say you're not competent to represent them. You want everybody to represent them, of course.
So they wanted to hear from you.
Okay.
That's all said.
I have only the following things to say. We have, all of us, each of the directors has informed the Vice Chancellor. We have had conversations with him yesterday. This morning again, we have had the computer science interviews. Yes, you guys are creating more noise, and the Vice Chancellor has taken ill. He blacked out twice yesterday. He underwent a series of tests in the Sarojini Hospital in Pilani yesterday. It could be either a cardio or a neuro problem. While cardio has been ruled out, neuro has not been ruled out. He was advised to proceed to Delhi for a consultation with a neurologist and an MRI among a few other tests. But he was told that it may not be urgent, so he decided to put it off by 2-3 days. This morning he had another blackout, after which he was told you can't delay it any further. In the he's on his way to Delhi. He's possibly reaching Delhi right now. About an hour back, I had the last set of messages from him. In the absence of the Vice Chancellor, it is a set of 4 directors of the 4 campuses who have the joint responsibility of managing the institute till he is back. I am in consultation with the directors of Pilani and Goa because the director of the Dubai campus was chairing the interviews. You don't have to capture me on camera. I am saying, let's, at some point, if it pleases you, do it. But I think let's, at some point we have to start. There has to be an element. I can't refute or deny everything. You have captured everything. I can also tell you you doctored the video. I don't want to do any of that, right? But if it pleases you, please capture me on camera all you want. Now, the director of Goa campus, just like I met with the General Secretary and Mr. Sumiran Mittal and gave them this information, assuming that they will be able to transmit it to you with fidelity which you will find convincing. Similarly, the Goa campus director has had a discussion with his students' representatives who had been told that they will first have a meeting with the Vice Chancellor this evening, and then I said I will confirm where are these two guys, I don't know. And the people who met me yesterday, we had said that following that we will try and arrange our meeting today, and I'll confirm to you this evening. Did you have to come to me, or did I call you to tell you whatever update there was? Yes, sir. Right. So the Goa students have asked their director, as to whether the campuses, the 3 Indian campuses, representatives could make a joint presentation in the absence of the Vice Chancellor to the 3 directors. The Goa director has said, on your part, you please consult with your friends from Pilani and Hyderabad.
And on his part, he will consult with me and the Pilani campus director as to how and when this has to be done. That's the conversation I was in the process of having with the Goa campus director, Professor Raghurama, when I got 2 or 3 phone calls about this happening. So this is the situation. And as I have already said, this is not an issue. I mean, even if I completely agree with you, which I am not saying I do, these are not decisions I can just take. It is impossible. There's nothing else that I mean, I can only carry your views, present a collective view, and participate in a discussion as to what measures to take and how to address your concerns, which I have already promised. So, my request to you is, please, in consultation with your colleagues, let us settle how this interaction and when it will happen. We will listen to you collectively. We will prepare the views and our...
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So people from Pilani are saying that the VC is in Pilani. Like,
this
video is being live
No. If you don't believe me, then I can't do anything
sir,
about it.
The video is being live streamed.
No. Which video is being live streamed?
This.
Okay, okay, let's agree to one thing. If you don't believe me, then I cannot. There's no question of communication.
Sir,
so then please don't ask to speak with me. Right? If you ask to speak with me, you have to take me on trust. At least on factual information. And this is factual information. I'm ashamed. I am bloody ashamed. I bloody regret my 30 years of being in this profession. I'm not in this institute, certainly in this profession. I am ashamed of being a teacher. I hope I've dropped dead this moment. I mean, this is the best, man. And I am responsible for this. I have bloody spent my life here. And this is what I get in return? Or this is what I've earned? Anyway, I've cooled off. Is that a student? I mean, see, there are 2 things you have to understand. If you don't trust me, please leave. You don't trust him. You don't trust him. You don't trust him. You don't trust him. You don't trust me. Then I am sorry, there is nobody here you can have a conversation. Now, short of saying, you do what you want, I am willing to sit here with you. If it gives you any pleasure. I would prefer not to, because at my age I have a certain routine, I have work to do, I take care of certain things. But I really cannot help you if you will not trust me. Who is that gentleman?
Sir, I was not. Sir, I'm not. Sir, I was not saying.
If anything happens to him,
sir, I was not saying.
You are the one who told me.
No, sir, I was not saying it. I was just conveying what the Pilani.
You conveyed it. That's all I want to know.
But I also, you were the person who just conveyed the message.
Sorry, it's okay.
Sir, I just conveyed.
No, you conveyed it, right?
Trust somebody.
Yes, sir, I do trust that. That is why we are in dialogue here.
Listen.
Sir.
Yeah, okay. Now I'm going to read the message which came from him at 5:15.
No, sir.
Now you shut your mouth! Don't interrupt me! I will not interrupt you if you speak about your issue. But on this subject, I will not be interrupted. And I will not be intimidated. And I am never intimidated. What's your name? What is your name?
Manan.
Huh?
Manan.
Manan. Manan what?
Agarwal.
Mr. Agarwal, I will not speak to you on first name terms. I am not your friend.
Yes.
I will still do everything that you may ever need, certainly in your student life, and perhaps thereafter too if you ever come to me. But you will never be my friend. Never, never, never! Now, please read this last message.
I was informed by Professor...
Last message. Do you know the meaning of last? Read the last message.
Thank you.
And if I drop down now, and I will not, because the more agitated I get, the lower my blood pressure gets. Read it. Read it aloud and read it as loud as I am speaking now. Read it aloud.
Thank you. We'll keep you posted. We'll reach AIIMS in about 1 hour.
That was at what time?
5:15 p.m.
What time is it now?
So 6:37.
You want me to call him in the emergency ward? No, sir. Mr. Agarwal, I will never look you in your face again. And if any of you has a doubt, please tell me now and I will call him. Okay. नहीं पानी नहीं चाहिए अभी. Anyway, now I'm not going to call him because just to satisfy his lack of trust, I don't want to risk somebody's health. And even if that person is my personal enemy, I will not risk it. Because I'm not like you. Because I trust people. That's point number one. This is exactly the status. Right? The second point is, please, 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 you express your concerns, you express your views, you express whatever in a manner which does not transgress upon the boundaries of another person's rights and freedom. So call one of the non-teaching staff members here. Call one of those persons here who has to go home. Hey, जिसको घर जाना है. I mean, what will somebody do? I mean, what does he have to do with this? What if somebody is visiting somebody? There is an emergency. They have a purpose. What do they have to do with this issue? You create a public nuisance. And the last thing I must tell you, anybody who stops and complains to the police will have to come and care. Of course, I will stop them, because that's the last thing we want. But that's not the reason we don't do these things. What's your name, my friend? You had a nice conversation with me. In the matter of a week, I have become your sworn personal enemy. Right? To the extent that you will not behave in a civil fashion. You're about to graduate, right? Where are you going to work? You're going to PS in the next semester. You think you should go to PS? Incidentally, we've already started getting some expressions of concern from organizations with which we work. Anyway, that's not a matter for my discussion today. We had a very civil conversation. You tell me, is this the right thing to do? Have I ever said I will not listen to you? Of course, I can't hold a general body meeting every day. I can't listen to you in that manner and whenever it pleases you. We have to find a format and a time which is mutually convenient and agreeable, and we will do it. Has he ever refused at any time of day or night to attend to any students, any issue? I don't even need to ask about it. Is there any member of the faculty or staff who has ever behaved in a manner which leads you to believe that they are not prepared to attend to any genuine needs? Please stop this. Please stop this. Please stop this. And what's your name? You think I can? Don't be stupid here. You don't even. First of all, see, your priorities are all, pardon me for the language. Anyway, I will mind my language also. Your priorities are warped. I am concerned only about my campus. Why should I think what the world thinks of me? The world has no role in this business, and that's why I don't want them to be involved. Now, it is for your good that you should not want the world to unnecessarily get in places where it doesn't belong. But I'm not afraid of, I'm not worried about the outside world. I'm worried about you. I'm worried about myself. I'm worried about this community. I'm worried about the world only in a different... So don't imagine things. And for that matter, if somebody back there is doing this and is going to send it out, what can I do about it? Please listen here. I didn't say you are. You're not even listening. That's your prerogative. But when we are trying to have a conversation, it will not work if you're not going to listen. So the concern is not that you're going to send it out or send it in, but the point is the whole damn thing is irrelevant. And if after so many years of schooling and college education, you're not able to communicate succinctly in one paragraph what it was that was the essence of this communication, we have a problem. We have a far deeper problem. My request to you is, please voice your concerns, please express. You can allow if that gives you a pleasure. But please don't. Let us not become a nuisance for people who have their own work to take care of, their own business to attend to, their own emergencies, their own families, whatever it is. I don't think that that's right. Do you? That's all I have to say. I have given you an update. You please discuss with your counterparts. No, I have not come here to find out everybody's point of view. This, no, 1 minute. This is not a point of view. This is a request and also a requirement.
Right, but let me explain the agenda of what we are doing right now. Our agenda in the first place was never to create any nuisance or disrupt anything. We have understood that the event when there are ladies in the crowd aside.
Ladies or gents is not the consideration.
Yeah, but when there was an emergency, we let the people go.
No, even if it's not if somebody has to go home, that person has to go home.
Right, but now...
Right? The one person that you, I mean, for instance, if I want to go shopping, you may want to stop me from going shopping. I don't even think that's necessary because it's not going to achieve anything. Why? You will inconvenience me. But that inconvenience cannot change any of it. Just because you inconvenience me, I can't simply say, okay, I listen to whatever you say and fine. You can't do it. Am I going to run away? Where will I run away? I will have to come back.
So the only issue that we have right now is that since you already mentioned that we have to wait till Friday.
No, I didn't even. Did I say wait till Friday?
You said
no. I don't even know. There were only two things that I said. One is we have to get an update, which will probably be tomorrow, on the condition of the Vice Chancellor when he intends to come back. 1 minute. In the meantime, I said in the absence of the Vice Chancellor, the responsibility of taking care of the institute is collectively that of the 4 campus directors. And therefore, since in particular that 1 minute, that's okay, but I have told you now, you also have to understand. So first of all, between now, I'm not saying anything that nothing. See, one is, I cannot guarantee. You've given me a paper which says before 12th I need to know. If it is not possible for something very specific, one way or the other or midway in between to be made known by Friday, that also has to be communicated before you go, right? And after that, that's not the end of this institute. Even now, have we declared a fee? We have not declared a fee. So, please let's take it step by step. I really can't look forward to 4 days from now, because if I had the ability to predict this is what we'll tell you on Friday, I can tell you that today or Saturday.
We are only asking you to take the concern in an exceptional way and take it forward. I don't know how that happens on the day-to-day. This is the only concern we have, because once everybody gets out of the college and we are home, we will not have control over it. We cannot assemble together and talk to you.
1 minute. Please listen. Please listen. If you believe that that's how, what we can do, what we are unable to do, why we are unable to do, whatever it is will be shared. Then of course you have to do. But what I am saying is I can't compel, you can't compel me and I can't, because it is beyond me. I can't just tell you on Friday, we'll tell you whatever. I'm telling you the truth.
In that case, we are very sorry, but
no, you can. There's not, no. This you cannot.
We have to do what we can.
No. You continue your protest anywhere. No, you can't do this. You can't stop people. Then I'm sorry. It is a It's a law and order problem which does not concern the students and administration of MITS Pilani. No. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. Please take my advice. I have said whatever communication is the latest, you will have that before you leave. I cannot tell you what you have asked for, I will give you. But whatever is being worked on or worked out, that will definitely be communicated well before you go.
But we'll all sit together and we will talk about it. And we'll
no, you please don't sit here. You please move to the side. Please move to the lawn, wherever. I am willing to listen to you again. They are willing to listen to you again. But please don't create obstruction or disturbance for others who have nothing direct to do with the subject. Right? That's the only thing I ask of you. And as I have told you, whatever is the latest and what we can offer you, we will tell you before you leave. And that's the best I can do, right? And we will never do something simply send and say we will not address any of them. That will not happen. At least certainly that much I can guarantee. Whatever it is, we will explain. We will listen to you again if necessary. Right? So please don't do this. Kindly take my request for what it has been. And there is absolutely no reason why I will not meet again with you. And as I said, please find out when you would like to meet collectively with us so that we will have better understanding. I have already taken your, whatever that memorandum. Please find out if there is a sense that you would like to collectively have a meeting. Let them know. We'll organize it whenever. That the earlier we do that, the better place we will be to give you. Right? Please do this. I think this is something that you should accept, not because you agree with me as an administration, but because this is not the right way. He said, okay. I hope you will understand. And if you have anything further to say to me, I am there in my office because I'm going to wait for about 7:30, a little after 7, speak to Professor Abrahama again to see what the students there have said. I am there. Please come and let me know what.
मनन भैया
मनन अरे यार I already said, ताऊ जी खड़ा हो